Hello and welcome to a sunny Sammamish Sunday photo shoot session. There's an old joke in the Northwest. What do you call the sunny day that follows 2 days of rain? Monday. Usually around here, we get sun on Monday and rain on the weekends, but this weekend has been sunny on both Saturday and Sunday. Yesterday, I went out to Marymoor Park, did a walk mostly, got a few photos. We'll see how they turned out. I haven't looked at them yet. Today I'm going to hit at least one park. I'm currently at Pine Lake Park in Sammamish and might hit Beaver Lake Park also in Sammamish, or maybe it's on Issaquah. It's kind of a border thing. Anyway, my goal today is try and get, or this time anyway, is to try and get into a little bit of a photo flow. My brain is not there yet. It's been a busy week. The week ahead is kind of busy. Lots of little scatterednesses. I'm sure that happens to you as well. So this is kind of good medicine for what I teach to students, hopefully, is in the midst of all the other things of life, creating photos can be a helpful creative outlet. It can be a break from the routine, from the stuff you have to do, to something you have to do for you, maybe. So that's what I'm going to try and do. I'll report back at the end of this video and let you know how it went. Anyway, I'll see you in a little bit. I always forget this part. The photo kit I'm bringing with me today is the Fuji X-T3 for my camera. Lenses are, I'm in the zoom land today, so I'm using the 10-24, the 16-80, and the 70-300. I also brought my 2X teleconverter in case an eagle shows up or something wildlife-y, so I can get out to 600 millimeters on that 70-300. Anyway, off to take some photos. So there you have it, a couple photo walks in a couple parks in early February 2022 in the Seattle area of the Great Northwest. Hope you enjoyed these photos. For me, it was a little bit of a challenge, both from an atmosphere standpoint and from a personal motivation standpoint. From the atmosphere standpoint, as you saw in the Marymoor Park video, it was a blue sky day. There was not a cloud in the sky. Those were about, let's see, what time was that? That was about 10:30, I think it was, in the morning. So yeah, it was just a nice time of day, great walk. Not a lot of photo opportunities, but I really liked the architecture of those bare trees. I think there was some neat stuff in there. And then the little chickadee singing a song to us. So you won't find these opportunities unless you get out there to go create some photos. So I have to remember, as much as I often tell students, when you're not feeling motivated, the best way to get motivated is to get out there with whatever tool you use to create and start creating. The motivation, the inspiration comes through the creation. And then on Sunday in the Pine Lake Park photos, a similar thing. I had a meeting in a couple hours, thinking about getting this video completed, all sorts of jumble in my brain, but just getting out to the park before there were lots of people, just a few folks there while I was there, and getting out to the lake. It's a tiny lake, more of a pond, but just hearing the birds, hearing the dogs barking across the lake was just really calming, a peaceful time. I really enjoyed it, and it went really quick. I was there for an hour and it didn't even feel like 20 minutes. So again, that's my perspective on photography. It's something special for me. I hope it is for you, and that you find these videos a little inspirational or informational, at least, along the way. If you have any comments, want to share your thoughts along the way, please leave them in the notes below. If you want to see these photos online, I will leave a link to those as well below. If you liked this video, you know what to do. You're going to gently tap the like button. That does a couple things. It trains the YouTube algorithm about videos that you like. It helps this channel. And it also then, by YouTube knowing what you like, will be more likely to show you similar videos in the future. If you really like this video, or just even semi-liked it, and you want to subscribe, there's a button for that too. Please click that. I'd greatly appreciate it. The more the merrier in this family. I've enjoyed in this community having conversations with you all online in the comments. So please feel free to leave thoughts, suggestions, experiences, and so on below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm not sure where I'm going yet, but it'll be somewhere. So until we meet again, have a great time creating photos. Stay well, stay safe, and bye for now.